Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, sit, set the parking brake, and turn the key to ACC or press the start button so electronics are active. Locate the manual tilt/telescoping lever beneath the column or find the electronic adjust button on the left column trim. Make sure your seat and mirrors are set because steering wheel position depends on seating. Release the lever or press the adjust control. You should feel the column unlock. Once unlocked, you're ready to move into the primary adjustment steps. Now adjust the tilt and reach for proper control and airbag clearance. For manual columns, push or pull the wheel to set tilt, then slide it in or out for reach. For electronic models, use the arrows while watching distance and angle. Keep your hands roughly at 9 and 3 o'clock and about 10 to 12 inches from your chest to the wheel center to reduce injury risk. Once you find the position, make small changes. Feel for comfort and sightline, then lock or save the setting. Finish by firmly locking the lever or releasing the electronic control and ensure the column has no play. Test by turning the wheel fully left and right to confirm it clears the dash and that turns stalks and controls operate freely. Make sure the airbag cover isn't deformed and your visibility of gauges is clear. If the wheel won't move or the motor hums but doesn't adjust, try cycling ignition off/on then retry. If that fails, check the fuse box or consult your dealer for a motor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.